Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to import workouts into Strava. There are three main ways to import workout into Strava depending on where your activity data is coming from. So the first method is uploading a file directly. Just open your Strava in a browser and log into your account, and just go to the top right and click on Upload Activity under the plus icon. And now just click on Choose Files. And here, just navigate to the folder where you have your workout and just select it and click on Open. And now just go ahead and add details, and you will be good to go. And as you can see, I have already uploaded my file, so I'm getting this error, but if you have not, you will be able to upload your file successfully. Now, the second method is syncing from other apps. You can connect apps like Garmin or Swift to Strava, and your workout will automatically sync whenever you complete an activity. Now, the third method is adding a manual activity in the Strava app. Just go ahead and click on the plus icon and click on Add Manual Entry. And now here, just go ahead and add details. For example, the distance covered, and you can add it into kilometers, meter, or miles, or you can even choose the sport. Let's say I worked out, so I'll just click on Workout and just add details and click on Create. This is useful when your activity was not recorded automatically or when you are using treadmill or indoor workout. So the simple rule is Strava lets you import workout throughout the file upload and app syncing or manual entry depending on your setup, and that's it. We just learned how to import workouts into Strava using file upload, connected apps, and manual activity entry. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.